personal hygiene keeps us healthy and protects us from germs. This is my personal hygiene model. I use recycled materials to show how we should keep our body clean. 1. We must brush our teeth every day. Brushing keeps our teeth healthy. 2. Taking bath daily keeps our body clean and fresh. 3. Cutting nails regularly keeps dirt and germs away. 4. Washing hands removes germs and prevents sickness. Good personal hygiene helps us stay strong and healthy. Thanks for watching.